The Submarine Networks event this year has been fantastic. I think it really brings together all the industry experts in the area of submarine cables. And I learned a lot about how cables are being designed, what new features are available, as well as what's happening in different geographies and how things are getting done. So it actually applies to even what we do in Africa. As we think about upgrading or redesigning cables, we learn something here that we can bring to our own markets.
I think with any new cable build, the biggest challenge, at least from a Microsoft perspective, is assessing demand, is really getting a grip on the demand that we have in between the various points and rationalizing the level of investment that it takes to put a new system in the water. I love the showcase on the new cable systems, just eye-opening opportunities everywhere, and it's not specific to Asia. The fact that these are opportunities elsewhere in the world and people have come from all over to showcase, extremely valuable. It's truly global.
Subsea cables always is a forte of a consortium. I think while I think it had some advantages, but I think today if you really look at, the world is moving towards sharing of the infrastructure. In a consortium it is also sharing, but it is sharing among a few people. I think that will soon become a bottleneck in the industry. To me, I think somewhere we need to change the game, and the sharing of the infrastructure has to be more ubiquitous and should be more open. Now today, I think that's a challenge we will have.
In future, what will happen is data centers will connect to each other and operators will connect into data centers. So this will change the whole paradigm of the investment. It will also change the pattern of the traffic, whereas not the traffic of an individual will be going out of the country, but a traffic of OTT players to replicate and to sync their data centers to each other will be the main traffic on the networks.
One of the biggest changes in the submarine business that's happened over the last 3 to 5 years has been the advent of what are called open cables. And it's where the cable system itself, so that's the cable plus the undersea amplifiers, are actually bought separately from the submarine light wave terminating equipment, the equipment that sits up on the land and lights the cable. And the reason they've opened up like this is it creates the ability to have lots of choice. You can choose who provides the cable separately from who provides your equipment, and you can use the best equipment available at the time. You're not locked into one vendor. It allows lots of choice, lots of flexibility. We think that's the preferred architecture going forward.
The industry is growing very fast, is very innovative, and has a very huge social impact on the society. As a sponsor, ACE is very happy with the event and is even more happy that we have this networking zone that ACE is sponsoring, which works perfectly well. People can meet there, discuss there under the umbrella of ACE, which is fantastic. So we are very happy.